Hey y'all, it's Destin and Dawes, and today I'm back with another video. Today we are doing a tie-dye safety pin crop top. So let's get started. First thing you would need is scissors, rubber bands, and this tank top that I got from Target. It was around $8, not too bad. Today the tie-dye we're going to use is pink. I got it from this company called Tulip right here. You can get it from Michael's, Joann's, your favorite craft store, doesn't matter. So I'm going to use that. First thing you want to do is cut horizontally straight across the shirt. Make sure you get it really straight. Okay, so after you finish cutting, you want to throw away the bottom half. I don't know what I was trying to do, but so now you got your cropped look. If you want to cut it more, you can, but I like mine like this, so that's what we're going to work with. All right, so now we're going to tie-dye the shirt. So you want to get your rubber bands. I had like 10 to 15 rubber bands that I'm going to put on this shirt. You want to scrunch the shirt all the way up towards you, like how I'm doing here. Like I got it in like a little circle, and then I would put my rubber bands over it. I used like 10 maybe. Okay, so I'm finally done doing that. I hate this part. Like, the rubber band part is annoying. So after you put the rubber bands all over the tank top, I used about 10 to 15. You want to add water. You have to make sure you add water, or it's not going to really soak up the tie-dye, and it's going to look ugly. You don't want it to look ugly. All right, so the tie-dye I'm using is pink. I think it's fuchsia or whatever. All right, so I made sure I had like 2 plastic bags to put under the top before I tie-dye. So I would take the tie-dye and just put it all over the shirt, literally all over, and then I would turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, so after you finish with that, you want to put the tie-dye shirt in the plastic bag and let it sit for around 6 to 8 hours, but I usually do a whole day. It's up to you. Alright y'all, so this is my final results. It's like a pink coral orange effect. It's real cute. I added some rhinestone safety pins. Please check my other videos on how to do this type of style. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to show you a picture with me wearing it too. But please like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you like it. If you want me to do more DIYs, let me know. Alright y'all, thank you guys for watching this video. Mwah.